Today we're applying our knowledge of area to real-world problems. We have two objectives today. They are that we can determine the area of composite figures in real-life contextual situations using composition and decomposition of polygons, and that we can determine the area of a missing region using composition and decomposition of polygons. We're going to start today by looking at the fireplace in my parents' house. We want to replace the white tile around the outside of the fireplace and need to know how many square feet of tile to purchase. I've highlighted this area in red to make it easier to see. To begin, I measured the dimensions of the fireplace. We see that the tile portion has a height of 4.5 feet and a length of 3 3/4 feet. The inner fireplace has a height of 4 feet and a length of 3 1/4 feet. Let's create a sketch to model this problem. We want to find the area of the space highlighted blue that surrounds the outside of the fireplace. We see that we have two rectangles with one inside the other. In order to solve this problem, we're going to have to subtract the area of the smaller white rectangle from the area of the larger blue rectangle. Let's begin by finding the area of the blue rectangle. We know that the area formula of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. To multiply 4 1/2 by 3 3/4, we're going to have to convert them to improper fractions. 4 1/2 converts to 9 halves, while 3 3/4 converts to 15 fourths. When multiplying fractions, we multiply straight across. 9 times 15 is 135. 2 times 4 is 8. This means that the area is 135/8 square feet. Let's simplify this improper fraction by converting it to a mixed number. 135/8 is equal to 16 7/8 square feet. This is the area of our large rectangle. Our next step is to find the area of the smaller white rectangle. It has a length of 3 1/4 feet and a width of 4 feet. Pause the video here while you find the area. We can convert 3 1/4 feet to the improper fraction of 13/4 feet. When we multiply this by 1/4, we find we have an area of 52/4 square feet. This is equal to 13 square feet. Let's return to our picture. Remember that we only want to find the area of the tile portion. We found that the area of the large rectangle was 16 7/8 square feet. We also found that the area inside the tile was 13 square feet. To solve for the area of the tile, we must subtract the inner rectangle from the larger rectangle. 16 7/8 minus 13 equals 3 7/8 square feet. This is the area of the tile portion of the fireplace.